On this episode, I'm going to be showing you how you can upgrade and replace your bathroom basin drain to a pop-up with a strainer. You can save your wedding ring or your jewelry from falling down the drain ever again. No more. So stay tuned. Welcome to Fix This House. If you're new to the channel, consider pressing the subscribe and notification bell so you could always be in tune on DIYs, how-to videos, and product reviews that I do within this channel. Today's episode is not a sponsored video, but I want to show you how I'm going to upgrade my drain into this bathroom basin drain with a built-in strainer, and it just pops up. I know I made a video on how to install this faucet, and again, I do apologize. When I installed this faucet on the last video, the lever right here was facing towards me. I made this facing forward because I have kids and I wanted it to have easy access for them, but my wife said, hey, put it on the right side, and some of you guys said, yeah, that does look better on the right side. So I do apologize for that. It was a quick, easy adjustment. All you gotta do is go underneath, loosen the nut, twist it, and that's pretty much it, and tighten back up. With that being said, with this being installed, we did end up eliminating the little lever that pops this up and down. What we're going to do is we're going to replace this basin drain with the upgraded version, plus it matches with this matte finish of this faucet. So the reason why I wanted to replace it with this one is because I wanted to try this out, and plus it has this really nice cool strainer, this pop-up feature in case you want to fill up your basin. Let's go disassemble this right here, and I'll show you step by step on how you can easily just install this. By the end of this video and you end up liking this product, this is the bathroom basin drain by Regal Mix. I'll leave a link on the description down below. Check out the link if you are interested and get yourself one of these. What's going to happen is we're going to be taking this old one right here. This one is really nasty. If you can see that, that's why I'm wearing gloves. And you can see that if you go underneath the sink, this is what we're going to be replacing pretty much. We're going to disassemble this. Should be the same length as this one. This one's plastic. We're just gonna loosen this fastener up, loosen that up, take that out. Make sure you turn off the water from your faucet just in case you inadvertently turn this on and you'll get that wall soaked up. Unscrew that and pop it out. My suggestion as well, put a towel underneath this just in case you might get some leaks. You don't want that dripping all over your bottom cabinet. Now this should easily come off. All you gotta do is twist it to loosen it. If you're having a hard time doing this, get some channel lock pliers, just like these ones, and you can go and loosen that up. But you can pretty much take this off by hand. Loosen this bottom part. You shouldn't have to disassemble this P-trap right here, so you should be okay. All you gotta do is loosen this part up and you should be all right. You can wiggle this downwards. Again, you're gonna get some nasty stuff in here. Take this little lever out of there too. This lever, just take that out. This one we just snapped off. I just snapped that off because we're not going to be using that. See how this is dripping right here? This is actually holding water, so just be careful of that. And notice how I broke that off. Now let's go back at the top. There you go, you can see right through there. Pop this off, it's very easy. Just take one of these flathead screwdrivers, go at the bottom, and then just lift up, just like that. You're gonna end up getting some nasty stuff in there, so just clean around there. Yeah. Yeah, we're just gonna throw that away. That's nasty. Clean around there. You now have that nice cleaned out. You take the body. First take this off. You're gonna be needing this later on. Just put this aside. Take out this brass nut. Okay. Put this aside. Now take this thick silica gel off. What you got left should be this thin gasket right here and this thin silica gasket as well. This is an option. You can either use this thin gasket. You don't have to do this, but My suggestion is, if you don't want this to fail, and I don't like this personally, I'm gonna replace this gasket with plumber's putty. I really like this one because it conforms to the surroundings better. Just plumber's putty is very nice. Make sure you get the stain-free one by Ote. Go check out the link down below if you need one of these, but you don't need much of this stuff. It's pretty much just kind of like Play-Doh. Roll it up like this. And then you're going to try to form it into a circle. I surround this right underneath where that old thin gasket from the factory came from. So that's where I'm just going to conform this to. We're going to press right here. Just like that. What you're going to do is just going to go and take your finger and swipe across like that. Take out the excess. You can actually save this. Put it back in the tub and then close that up so you can use that. Make sure that the cone is facing upwards. Take that brass locking nut and then thread it. Take the drainage and then reattach it to this pipe. Just go in reverse order. Got the drainage pipe reattached back. Everything's all nice and tightened. Let's go back up and let's go test out if there's any leaks. Okay, let it run for a little bit. Let's go underneath. Double check the seal if there's any leaks. So far so good. No leaks. No leak. Everything is dry. And we're good. So last but not least, it's easy as just putting this on top. Okay, so that's draining. If you push this down, accumulating the water. Looks like it's holding the water really well. Push down. It's draining. All right, now what's great about this, friends, is that I have a daughter, I have my wife. I see a lot of hair here. It tends to go down the drain. And if you have one of those strainer types where, you know, you pull up here with the lever, you always get that bundle of hair stuck underneath that the pipe down here. So what's great about this is you can just easily pop this up. All that hair now will accumulate inside that strainer, and there it is, nice and clear. You'll never have that problem with the blockage again. So friends, easy install. If you have any questions, please leave your questions on the comment section down below. I would love to answer all your questions if you have any. And make sure that if you're interested on this product, the product link will be located on the description down below. Check out that link. And friends, if you found this video super helpful, please hit a big thumbs up, press the subscribe notification bell, and I'll see you friends in the next DIY how-to video and product review. Thank you so much. See you next time.